Now that we understand how the Python interpreter works, it's time to move beyond the terminal and start writing real Python programs professionally. And to do that, we need something called a code editor. So what exactly is the code editor? A code editor is a specialized application designed to help developers write, organize, and manage code more efficiently. Think of it as the workspace of a software engineer. Just like video editors use professional editing software and designers use creative tools, developers use code editors to build software. Now, technically, you could write Python code using a simple text editor like Notepad. But professional software development involves much more than simply typing text. Modern code editors provide powerful features that make development dramatically easier. For example, syntax highlighting, automatic code suggestions, error detection, and debugging tools. Project management, terminal integration, extensions, and intelligent code completion powered by AI. These tools help developers work faster, reduce mistakes, and manage large projects efficiently. Today, there are many code editors available. Some popular examples include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Sublime Text, Vim, and IntelliJ IDEA. But for this course, we'll primarily use Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. Why? Because VS Code is free, lightweight, beginner-friendly, extremely powerful, and widely used by professional developers around the world. It also supports Python extremely well. Now let's install it. Open your browser and go to the official VS Code website. On Windows, macOS, or Linux, the website usually detects your operating system automatically. Download the correct version for your system and begin the installation. Once installation finishes, open Visual Studio Code. Immediately, you'll notice that VS Code looks very different from a normal text editor. On the left side, we have the activity bar. This gives us access to files, search, source control, extensions, debugging, and more. At the center, we have the editor itself. This is where we write our Python code. At the bottom, we have the integrated terminal. This is extremely useful because it allows us to run commands directly inside VS Code without switching between multiple applications. Now, before writing Python code, we need to install the official Python extension. This extension adds Python support to VS Code. Without it, VS Code would simply treat Python files like plain text. To install the extension, click the extensions icon on the left side, then search for Python. You should see the official Python extension published by Microsoft. Click Install. Once installed, VS Code becomes a powerful Python development environment. Now let's create our first Python file. Click File, then New File. Save the file as app.py. Notice the .py extension. This tells VS Code and the operating system that this is a Python file. Now let's write our very first Python program. Type print hello world. Now we need to run the file. Inside VS Code, open the terminal. On Windows, type python app.py. On Mac OS or Linux, type python3 app.py. Then press Enter. Immediately, we see Hello World. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the initial setup of your development environment. You have officially written and executed your first real Python program inside a professional development environment. As we type code, VS Code automatically colors our syntax. This is called syntax highlighting. It makes code easier to read and helps developers identify mistakes more quickly. As projects become larger and more complex, these features become incredibly valuable. Modern software engineering is not just about knowing programming syntax. It's also about using powerful tools efficiently. And code editors are one of the most important tools every developer uses daily. Throughout this course, we'll continue using VS Code to build increasingly advanced Python applications. And now that our development environment is fully set up, we are finally ready to begin learning actual Python programming fundamentals. In the next lesson, we'll write our first real Python program and understand how Python code is structured.